Hello everyone, I am Sajad and you are watching my channel Pharma Info. First of all, press the subscribe button. In this video, we will take a short look over the clean room. What is a clean room? Basically, clean room is a specially designed room where we have a controlled number of viable and non-viable particles. Mean living and non-living particles are controlled in an area which is known as clean room. Some other factors which are also kept control under clean rooms are we have a specified level of air pressure for clean rooms. We have a defined limits for the noise or vibrations in the clean room. We also have a defined standards or limits for the light intensity in the clean room. We also defined specific air changes for the clean rooms. And the next question is why we use clean rooms. Basically, clean rooms are used to manufacture any product which is very sensitive, and we require to prevent it from contamination or cross contaminations. Clean rooms are used in pharmaceutical industries, and these are also used in electronic manufacturing companies also, because these are very highly sensitive products. And clean room classification system is based on the number of particles and size of particles. If you want to learn complete classification system of the clean rooms, how clean rooms are classified, how many particles are permitted in a clean room, the complete video link is given in description. You can watch the video to learn all about the clean room classification system. If you like the video, share it to others and subscribe my channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.